This is a very official function, but yet I thought it would be appropriate to recollect this song, which was a super hit sung by a greatest matinee idol of the Kollywood and the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Here it goes. மாபெரும் சபையினில் நீ நடந்தால் உனக்கு மாலைகள் விழ வேண்டும். The meaning of this is, when you walk in the greatest assembly, and you should get the best of the garlands for what you achieved. And when you do this, it's a pride for you and for your parents. Hi everyone. It's a wonderful occasion to congratulate the parents as well as the children who are being recognized as young achievers by Hyundai Motor India Limited. It has taken years of hard work, burning the midnight oil and working against all odds, especially during the last 6 months, and yet you people have achieved what you wanted, what you aimed for, and it's time to celebrate that. I can feel the pride, I can feel the happiness in the hearts and minds of the parents, because I have gone through this wonderful experience when my son was recognized by the management for his achievement in the civil services. So I can feel the pleasure, and I can also feel the pain that they all went through while preparing these children. I have only 2 things to share on this wonderful occasion. To the parents, please identify what drives your child, what your child is passionate about, what your child is excited about. I think it is very important, because this stage is a very crucial stage where they identify what they want to become in this world. So find out what excites them, what makes them happy, what they want to do in their life, and support that, and you will see that your child is a winner. And to the children, my simple advice is, follow your heart, your head will follow it thereafter. You should identify the purpose of your life. If you need any clarification, you need assistance on this, talk to your parents, talk to your teachers, talk to your well-wishers. Identify your role models. Try to reach them. Ask them what it made for them to be where they are. Once you know this, set your heart, set your mind, and the sky is the limit. All the best. God bless you. Thank you.
Hello, my dear young achievers and proud parents. My heartiest congratulations to each one of you for excelling in your academic core curricular activities, and truly a great deserving winner of the prizes today. Every year, this particular function is always fascinates me and makes me so proud and feel so happy about it. This achievement is primarily due to the hardest work which you guys have done. Please enjoy your day. I always believe that the children should have a holistic learning experience during their formative years, as it widens both their knowledge and horizons. This success in your school life is just a first step of your life. You will soon embark a very big new journey to explore new possibilities and experiences. Friends, dare to dream big and love what you do the best. Have a curious mind always and seek knowledge with genuine interest. Read voraciously. Be passionate about whatever you do. That's very important, as the way we make cars with so much of a passion. And always be the first one to expand your skill set and imbibe the new values. Show empathy and compassion towards each other. I'm certain that all these qualities will not only just bring you a great success and accolades, but also a deep sense of fulfillment and happiness in your life. Take it from me. Now, the turn for parents. I'd like to express my sincere appreciation to all the parents of these wonderful kids for walking this path along with them. You are their strength and inspiration to achieve these kind of marvelous feat. Finally, I'd like to leave you with 2 of my thoughts. One, as said by our great beloved former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Every morning, he asks all of us to repeat 5 important things. Remember, I am the best. I can do it. God is always there with me. I am a winner. And today is my best today. Keep all those things in mind, keep repeating, and the success will always come to you. And second and the most important thing is the order of the day. Being a corona period, I request all of you to be a role model of 3 important things. You all know about it. You are all very smart, socially distant from each other, be safe, frequently wash your hands, and third and most importantly, wear mask. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best.
My success mantra is being confident, having a positive outlook towards everything.
Efforts taken by my teachers and my parents to more and more improve my consistency of marks and my own hard work and dedication.
Hard work never fails. Hard work is the way to success. I worked hard with the help of my parents and teachers. Hard work is my mantra for my success.
And the secret of my success is hard work, dedication, consistency, and of course my parents, because they are the ones who constantly keep supporting and motivating me in order to achieve my goals.
My practice and other support made me achieve this success. And in this success, my parents played significant roles. With great sacrifices comes great achievement. Thank you.
Being relaxed, believing in myself, and following my parents and my teachers is my only secret to my success.
When the world becomes noisy, listen to your heart and follow it to reach your destiny. Stop believing in luck and start believing in work. With hard work and smart work, even the seemingly impossible can be possible.
If you want to achieve a goal, first you have to be in the peaceful mind. And last but not the least, interest plus smart work equal to success. Thank you, friends.
My first success mantra is dedication. Whatever you do, if you do it with 100% dedication, you'll definitely reach success. And the second mantra is encouragement. I'm really lucky and blessed to have got such amazing parents and teachers. They keep encouraging me all the time, and just because of their encouragement and blessings, I've reached the success.
The mantra of my success is prayer. God gave me this mark and helped me study well. That my parents and my teachers also encouraged me. They were useful to me in all ways. Thank you.
என் ஸ்டடீஸ்ல ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கும் டெடிகேஷனும் போட்டதால என் கோல்ஸ் அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது.
The reason behind my success was my parents. I'm inspired by my father, who has developed from a stone to a pearl, and now he was the senior executive of the world's famous Hyundai company. I also want to become a pearl and shine. Thank you.
My ambition is to become a chartered accountant. This award boosts me to become a chartered accountant as soon as possible.
Hi, I'm Aditya. My ambition is to become a successful businessman like a founder of Hyundai Motor. How Hyundai Motor support employee family in all aspects in the same way I would like to do by being a businessman.
My ambition is to become a doctor.
I came across a famous quote that if you are seeing a dream, then it is a responsibility to fulfill it. I want to become a clinical research specialist.
My ambition is to become a doctor. I want to serve the people who are in need.
My aim in life is to become a doctor.
My aim in life is to become a software developer.
My biggest ambition is to become a physicist and make a change in today's world.
My inspiration is Tom Whittaker. He is the first physically disabled person to climb Himalayas successfully.
My father is my role model to me. He trusted me to do better than him. He never hold any record with him, but he is still my rockstar. Thank you.
My role model is my father, who inspires me to face any challenges.
My role model is Dr. Stephen Hawking. His great work in theoretical physics inspires me.
My role model is none other than my parents, who are kind-hearted, respectful, helpful, a little tense but a cool-minded persons. Thank you.
And my role model is Cristiano Ronaldo because of his hard work and determination.
My role model was the best Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He said that don't ever try to take rest after your first victory, because when you fail in your second attempt, many lips are waiting to say that it's just your luck.
My parents are my role model.
My role model is my brother Sai Vijay, because he had guided me in the right path for achieving great success in my life.
My role model is Cristiano Ronaldo, who is a football player. He is sincere and dedicated in his passion.
Mummy, Papa, thank you for helping me shape my life with positivity and passion.
Without the support of yours, I would have never been able to achieve such a great result.
For every step in my life, my parents are my motivation who will guide me the best.
Parents have helped me by motivating me and providing necessary resources for me.
And I'm grateful to my parents who brought me up with their continuous support and encouragement to score good marks in my 10th standard board exam.
Hello everyone, my parents are my first and best teachers in my life. They always motivated me, inspired me and encouraged me to work hard. So they play a very important role in my achievements.
I thank my parents for making this aunt strong enough to able to achieve this today.
My parents are the major factor behind all my victories. They have undergone several obstacles and now they are the pillars for all my achievements.
My mom and dad are the secret behind my success. They always support me in every way possible to make sure that I came out with flying colors. And I thank God for always being with me to succeed. Thank you.
Hyundai, which means modernity, lives up to its name through its good quality and contemporary cars. I am proud that my father is associated with such a prestigious and omnipresent organization whenever I come across a Hyundai car. Furthermore, I would like to thank the management of HMIL for their constant support and recognition of our efforts and hard work we have poured in our academics.
Hyundai, it not only means modernity, it's technology, what we need in car.
As you all know that Hyundai means modernity. As per the name, it produces many contemporary vehicles with innovative technology.
It's very innovative, motivative and progressive, and it's also respectful and very good chance for the employees to express their opinions. It also has an excellent rewarding company culture.
I thank Hyundai Motor India for this wonderful opportunity.
Hi, Hyundai is the largest manufacturing car company. My favorite is Elite i20. It looks very sporty. I'm proud that my father is a part of Hyundai. Even I want to be.
Hi all, this is Rohan Raja. While I miss being at Hyundai at this juncture, thanks to technology that we are all able to connect. I sincerely thank the Hyundai management for recognizing our hard work and effort. This really motivates us. I am an IIT aspirant and I am working towards the same. My dream is to innovate using technology in my field so that I can make a difference in the lives of people and the society. I also think that if we have a strong desire towards our goal, we need not be pushed, but the vision will pull us. As a Gen Z, I believe in new thinking, new possibilities. Thank you.
HMIL not only means Hyundai Motor India Limited, but it also means H, humanity, M, manpower, I, innovation, and L, duality. Thank you, Gamsami.
Hyundai.